When I go to read the comment on my previous video, I see a gentleman named Ashish Malakar telling me to buy things from the old market and make a computer that will cost below under $15. This is a very difficult task for me. At present, $15 good quality computer PC casing is not available. I first went to an old electronics market near me which sells old PC, laptop, LED TV, etc. I bought an old laptop with $30 from there. According to the seller, everything was good for the laptop except the display. I came back home and took a good look at the laptop. Then I opened the laptop. After opening the laptop, I saw that it has 4GB RAM, 1TB hard disk. This is a very good thing for me. It also has a battery pack. After checking everything, I stuck the back cover again. Seller gave me a charger with this laptop. I plugged in the charger and it worked properly. A 14-inch display cost 40 to 45 USD, but we had a budget of only 25 USD. Since we have HDMI output in this laptop, so I decided to use an external monitor. I opened the top cover and separated it. Then I cut the PVC board according to the size of the laptop and attached it with super glue. When CPU's work is done, it's time to find the monitor. So I went to the market again and bought this monitor. This is not a monitor, it is an LCD TV that costs $20. I also bought a HDMI cable to connect PC and monitor that cost $3. The monitor has 12 volt input port, HDMI port, VGA port, regular USB port, etc. Our work will go very well. I connected the power to it and saw that there was a little problem with the display, but my budget is $20. It is not a big issue. I connected the necessary cable, mouse, keyboard and set up Windows 10 on the computer. If you want to know how to set up Windows 10, let me know in the comment section. I will show in another video. Then I opened the computer and it opened properly. It can used for browsing the internet, watching movies and playing some games. Our computer is based on Windows 10, so we can do all kinds of small things. I think this computer is very good for its own work. Since our budget was very low, we could not buy a good monitor. If any of you make it, try to buy a good monitor. Let's take a look at YouTube.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Hope you learned something from the video. If you benefited from this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Tata. Allah Hafiz.